Hello and welcome to a new video. In today's video, I will show you how to save your home address on Google Maps. To do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to Google Maps, open the app, and after that, go and click on your picture in the top right of the screen. After that, scroll down a little bit until you find an option called Settings. Click on it. And after that, go back. If you can't find it there, just go back and go see your data in Maps. And here, as you will see, if you can't find the option in the other place, you will find it here. And as you can see, it's an option called Home and Work Addresses. So to put the address of your home, you have just to click on Home. And you have two choices. You can write the address in the top here, in that place. And if you don't want to do that, you can just click on Choose on Map and try to move on map until you find your house. And after that, click on Save and click on Save again in this screen. And like that, you will be adding and you will save your home address on Google Maps. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. To like this video, if you have any question, don't forget also to put it on the comment section. And see you in the next one.